So petty cash account in my books has been reduced by 244 to 244.20. Where it is coming from. So this is the total of all the PA. If you just break it down, if you just do the total of this one, I will do the total of this one, which is here. So sum, and this one will be coming here till number 12. And this is number 12, and total in here is this one. If you take the difference of these two, so it's a 245.20, which is exactly here, 245.20, 245.20. Okay, that's good. It means the data has been imported into Sage correctly, but there are certain checks which I would like you to have a look on when you import data from Excel to Sage. These are the checks. The first check we have seen the cash amount to be reduced by XSS, which is correct. The remaining cash amount is 245.20, which we have just checked. Input VAT amount. What does this mean? If I go back to my Excel import Excel file, can you see this one? So all the input VAT, which is the VAT on the purchases, and the total is here. Let me put the total here. So input VAT, nominal code, nominal account for input VAT should contain this figure, which is 1125.80. So if I go back to Sage and if I click on nominal codes, and then if I click on my current assets and then liabilities, can you see this one? This is purchase tax control account, and it has 1125.80, which is exactly here. So it means these amounts, they are hitting the correct nominal code in Sage, which is the nominal code is 2201, and which is purchase tax control account. Okay, and these are the net expenses, these are the net purchases. Let me just do the total of these, and if I go here quickly, the total of these is 5629. If I go back to Sage and you just and then you collapse this one, so if you add these figures together, and in fixed assets we have one figure also, which is 2040, and this one will be coming from here, which is 2040, and this is furniture and fittings. If you go back, and you see here furniture and fittings. So rest of the amount, which is 1200 and 2389. Let me just delete this one, minus 2040, and this is 3589. If you add 1200 and you go back, this is 2389 and 2389. Add these two together and this one from here. So you see that all these purchases, and there was one fixed asset purchase, they are hitting the correct nominal codes. So these are the checks which you need to do. Individual nominal codes, you can just check the 5000 and 5000. So if you go back to Sage, and how would you check individual nominal codes? 5000 is the nominal code for purchases, so you click on this one, so this is 1200. If you go back to Sage, you can see it in Excel file, you can see it in here. So we have one which is 640 and this is 560. So 640 plus 560 is 1200. So these are all the little checks which you need to do when you import data from Excel to Sage. I hope it makes sense and you learn something out of it. You can use this option when you are importing the big data which you already have in Excel, and you just want to put everything into the Sage with couple of clicks, but you need to have this particular format and everything. You need to, what I would like you to do is try to import 2-3 transactions when you start importing the data from Excel to Sage, and when you are okay with this, then you can start putting the bulk transaction from Excel to Sage. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.